Hello everyone, today we have a 2020 BMW M4 sedan with rear wheel drive, that M-Power engine, and that carbon fiber engine bracing is just gorgeous. And that is running smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. And if any of these LEDs appear to flicker, they don't do that to the human eye. That's the refresh rate of the camera that's bringing us that little disco party. But you see that it does have LED headlight surrounds. And BMW branded brake calipers, alloy wheels. And this does have the carbon fiber roof. Dual exhausts. Go ahead and close that up. Alright, you see it does have a combination black and red leather interior with the M branded sport seats. And there is actually more room back here than most two-doors. Aluminum kick plates, and here's the VIN right here. See that it does have Harman Kardon sound. We'll go ahead and hop in. You'll notice that it does have carbon fiber here across and throughout the dash. And we'll go ahead and turn this down. You see that it does have heated front seats, and here are your climate controls, your stereo controls, and that sounds great. So I'll go ahead and turn it down. And then here is the mode selection. And as you come over here, you'll notice that it has 8,659 miles on this vehicle. And then you're going to have your cruise control and your push to talk and your stereo controls, and your push button start is right here. As you come down here, you've got your key fob, and then you have charging station. And it is a 6-speed standard transmission. And then you've got your suspension modes of Sport Plus, Comfort, and Sport. Okay, and then you right here, this controls your infotainment center. And this is also carbon fiber, and you have a handbrake. More stowage down there, but you can use this to jump right to media, and then you can jump on back and then go to options, or you can go directly to navigation. You see it does have a very quick computer.
Navigation is not active.
Okay. And then we'll just come back here, and you can also go to My Vehicle and the iDrive settings, and then you could also go to the M-Drive settings. I absolutely love this interface. It did a fantastic job with this. And then you can hit the communications button and go directly to communications. And it does have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. Then there's your connected drive, your BMW Assist, Amazon Alexa, weather, news, and such. Okay. And you see it does have front and rear sensors. And that about wraps it up for this BMW on the interior. vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here on the driver's side that ranged in damage from the driver front quarter panel to the driver rear quarter panel. The side airbags deployed, but there was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.